Hello. So I'm going to start off for the Unit 3 assignment with the tax calculator program. Just want to get that going real quick. Oop. Oh, I misspelled that. What that is my bad. There we go. And so in the prompt for this one, it was asking basically for you to enter an amount. So I can say like $12, and then you're gonna have a slider. So my slider is going to be equivalent to this here, this sales tax on the purchase, and then it's going to take that. It's going to calculate the total sale for that tax percentage on that amount. So if I go to 5, it's going to end up being, on $12, it's going to be $12.60. And let's see here. And so the other one was the GUI cell phone packages. Or cell phone packages. Let's see here. Let me load that one up right quick. And this one, the prompt was asking to create as if you were like purchasing cell phone packages from a company per se. It's basically giving you choices, and that it's going to calculate with those different packages, the different parts of the packages that you choose is going to create a total. So like for example, you choose the package. I'll do the 800 minutes per month, the $65 a month, and then choose your cell phone. I'm going to do the best model, Model 200, and then choose your options. And then I have the two different options here that you can click on to choose from. So there's the voicemail, which is $5 per month, or the text messaging. I'll just do the text messaging, and then as you can see, it has the running total down here of the $180.95. So yeah, those are the programs for Unit 3. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.